Why are you so dressed up, Michael? Because today we're partying like it's PowerToys release 0.99. And we've got two new utilities, updates to Command Palette and Dock, plus a lot of quality and life improvements. So let's dive right in. First up is Grab and Move. And no, it's not some kind of new dance move, but it will make you feel like a Windows management ninja. It lets you hold Alt and drag anywhere to move a window. You can even hold Alt and right click to drag it horizontally to resize the width or vertically to resize the height. No more of this pixel perfect grab the title bar or why won't this window just, none of it. Just grab and move as nature intended. And a big thanks to Fox MSFT on the sysinternals team for letting us put this one in. Next up is Power Display, and this one goes out to all the people who have tried to adjust the brightness or other settings on their monitor and pressed the wrong button like 17 times. With Power Display, you can control your hardware monitors right from the system tray. Brightness, contrast, volume, color profiles, and more, depending on your monitor's support. And yes, you can make profiles. So you want a coding mode, a video editing mode, a oh please my eyes are burning mode, you got it. Of course, Command Palette and the dock got to glow up as well. Command Palette gets a new calculator history built in, and it allows extension developers to use plain text or even zoomable images in their extensions. And of course, the dock got some new features like keeping it always on top, a much requested compact mode that you can turn on in the settings, and then a new pin dialog for new things you're pinning to the dock to be able to set whether you want to show labels and what side you want it to be on before you have to go in to edit the dock itself. Basically, more control, more customization, more this feels like my setup. And Keyboard Manager is just keeping the hits coming. In 0.99, manually tweak recorded keys via your drop-downs. It has a new disabled action for turning off keys or shortcuts, a more reliable multi-line text replacement in chat apps and editors. So yes, you can finally disable that key that betrays you every time. And Zoom It fans, you're eating well today. Text extraction directly from snips, a new screen setter mode for the break timer. I mean, Zoom It is quickly becoming the Swiss Army knife of screen capture. And there's a lot of other changes, like image resizer got ported to WinUI 3, some other settings improvements. Basically, more polish, more shine, more PowerToys-ish. Of course, none of this is possible without you, our community. Your ideas, your bug reports, your issues, your PRs, your chaos energy, you are all the best. If you want to update to the latest version of PowerToys, you can check out the settings page in PowerToys to update from there. You can go to the Microsoft Store, Winget, you can go to the repo, however you like to do that voodoo that you do. I'm Michael, this is PowerToys, and I'll catch you in the next one.